Right, today guys, we're going to go for a little ride. Today's topic of a video is, why do I ride alone? Well, for me it's a personal choice. I prefer being able to go where I want, stop where I want, do what I want, without having to worry about other people's thoughts and ideas. So personally for me, I love to be able to hop on my bike. Literally, if I want to stop somewhere, I can chill for 5, 10, half an hour. I can go wherever I want to go to without worrying what other people want to do. So that's why I want to ride alone, personally. But again, if you want to ride with other people, that's up to you, but my personal preference is ride alone. Now I've put the gain back down to -12. For some reason it was up to 0. The sound quality wasn't too good recently. Quick vehicle check, and again my top bulb's gone out, so I seen that in Bilbao coming off the boat the other day. I've not had a chance to fix it yet. That's why you'll see the main beams on. Brakes are okay. Rear tyre's fine. Clutch fluid good. Brake fluid's okay. So they warm up for a few minutes. I have to go and put a bit of petrol in, go for a quick 10-minute ride. It's for running low on juice. And it's absolutely boiling outside. Let's go. It's boiling out. So again, do you on a motorbike mitigate the risks? You're going to take the risk if you know. Go out with shorts, t-shirt, shorts and jeans on. Go for a little ride past the seaside today. Hopefully tomorrow I can go for a bit of a longer ride while the little boy's back with his mum. It's a beautiful church here. The woman's just slightly vexed there because the car didn't let him pass. Tyres are still cold at the moment, so I'm just going to take it easy. Go to my local petrol station. Nice Kawasaki there. again, don't be right in the middle of these cars. I'm sure they can see you. Lane positioning is always the keys here, so what's this guy doing? Paying attention or not? Absolutely beautiful day today. £1.25 a litre is about £1.10, £1.15. I'll take that all day long. It's a nice Suzuki there, GSX F I think. No indicating? Yeah, no problem. No pasa nada, no pasa nada. Wow, which was really low. I'm glad I filled up. Soapy water here. And over here, overseas, the attitudes towards bikers is completely different. People love the motorbikes over here due to the weather. Not only that, the amount of Spanish champions that have been motorcyclist world champions, so it's a different vibe altogether. And for me, as I said, I'll do me. Watch this white car here, make sure it's not going all the way around where I'm going. Lifesavers, absolutely essential. On a motorbike, just do you. Forget what anybody says. It's your bike, your life. If you want to go out, enjoy yourself, no gear, so be it. I'll give you guys riding tips how to keep safe on the road, but in terms of what you want to wear when you're on a bike, it's up to you. There's these salt mines there where they send salt to all the northern countries where this gets a lot of ice and snow. Speed cameras there. Little mate wants to come right behind me. Absolutely gorgeous day again today. It's what cemetery is here with all the mausoleums. Little Meg trying to catch me. Why? I don't know why. Right, my best safety position in here would be position 1, but I'm going to maintain my positioning so this clown doesn't try to steal my space. I've got plenty of room behind me. See, look who's coming off. Nice little backfire there. speed camera there again. A double back. The beach here is going to be absolutely rammed.